welcome back to my channel, Just Missy. Today I have a haul for you guys. There's actually going to be quite a lot of hauls coming. Today I have a Target haul and shop with me. So I went to the Target dollar spot there and I filmed all of what's at the Target spots. I picked some things up and I walked through the home goods section in Target. So I'm going to show you guys that footage first, the shop with me portion, and then I'll show you what I got. But you know what's really funny? If you're just joining me for the first time, hi, I'm Missy, and we just moved from Pennsylvania to New Jersey. So this is the first time I went to Target in New Jersey. And here in the state of New Jersey, you are not allowed, starting May 1st, you're not allowed to use plastic bags anymore. You have to have these kinds of bags. There'll be no longer anywhere in the state of New Jersey plastic bags. Isn't that weird? So today Target was giving you your first reusable bag free. So I got a tote for free. So right here I will put in the portion of me shopping at Target. How cute those are. Together again. Ready? These are so cute. These little stands for candles. Plant candle. Yeah. They're adorable. Okay. Oh, this is cute. To hang his lead.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Alright, I'm getting that.
Let's go.
Look, Mom. Look. So cute. Look at these little shells. Oh my God, they're adorable.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you.
I get into what I got at Target, I also want to let you guys know that I have Dollar Tree to share with you guys too. I don't want this video to be super, super long, so we're just going to jump right into the haul. So I'm obsessed with boho. Like, the boho look is really what I want to go for in my new apartment. So I've been like boho crazy, and tomorrow is my big shopping day with my sister at HomeGoods. And but the main reason that I went to Target was for these baskets. So these round woven trays are $5. Now, when I was at HomeGoods the last time, they had packs of 3 for $35. You got 3 baskets for $35. So I got these from the Target Dollar Spot for $5 each. So they had this color, and I got 3 of those. And then they had this color, and I got 4 of these. Aren't they beautiful? At the Target Dollar Spot. So I got twice as many for what I would have got there. So you got to check. And then you guys probably saw, I probably picked this up in the video. Look how cute. Let's go. So I'm going to hang our dog's flex leashes and stuff from here when we're coming up the stairs. I just thought this was adorable. And then the last thing I got very little from Target. I just basically went in there to see what the Dollar Spot, and I wanted those baskets. I hope my husband doesn't mind, but I picked him up new boxers. I don't know if you guys will care, but here, baby, here's your new underwear. And then I got my free tote. So now we'll go into the Dollar Tree. So from the Dollar Tree, I needed a lot because you could get all this stuff from Target, but you're going to pay 5 times the price. So Dollar Tree definitely spoils you. So I need these because my closet that I want to hang these in is really small. And I had over the door hangers, the long silver ones. Well, it's too long. I was thrilled to find these little ones. And they have tops and bottoms. So I picked up 2 of these. Over the door hangers, we love these for towels, our pajamas, jewelry, my ball caps. I love these for that. And I love that there's tops and bottoms because the long ones just have the bottoms. So this is great. So I can hang my hats and jewelry underneath. So I was happy to find these. So I got 2 of those. So I got triple A's and double A's. Well, they'll just come forth. I got tons of batteries. Like everything we moved in, like everything needs batteries. And then I got these awesome gel pens. I think I got a couple packs of these. More batteries. But I do a lot of like coloring and journaling. I do a lot of that on my Patreon. I love journaling. I love coloring. I love all that crafty stuff. But I mostly do that on my Patreon. But these they're glitter gel pens. They are the best gel pens, glitter gel pens that I have ever bought in my entire life, and they come from the Dollar Tree. These are awesome. So this one has the pink, it's like a golden color, the purple, and the blue, and then I have another pack that has different colors. These are awesome, and they write that they're such a smooth, best pens, I'm telling you, because I'm telling you, some of those journal pens, for one pen you could pay $15. I got all 4 of those for $1.25, and I mean, they are really, really good pens. And then my personal opinion, just my personal opinion, but you know, like command hooks, the off-brand you can get from the Dollar Tree, and they work just as well. And the big ones, these ones, they hold a ton. Like you could put a lot of weight on them. Like they could hold my dog's flex leash, no lie. So like I got a couple packs of those because we have things to hang up here. And I'm telling you guys, a pack of 3 command strips at like Target, Walmart is $10. I got 3 for $1.25. These are wonderful to pick up at your Dollar Tree. I picked up this cute little notebook. I love this notebook. Okay. It says, be courageous, be strong, 1 Corinthians 16:13. I'm taking classes at church, and we need a little notebook to take notes. And I just thought this one was adorable. It's all springy with a cute scripture. I just thought that was adorable. So this is going to be my little notebook to take notes in my Bible class. So everybody knows I absolutely love teal, and I'm decorating, so I needed some new teal things. So I got this adorable vase. I love that teal glass. And then I got this one. Isn't it pretty? Let me take that out. It's just so pretty. So my intentions with this one is every time I go to the beach, because I now live 5 minutes from the beach, seashells are going to go in here that I collect off the beach. I just think that's so beautiful. I picked up my dog the new 5-foot dog leash because when I take him out on the beach, I want him to have like an extended so he can run a little farther away from me. So I got this nice nylon to hook to the end of his flex leash so he could have an extra couple feet to run because he really wants to run. And when I have him on the flex leash, he about knocks me off my feet. Here's the other pens. So this set is green, purple, pink, and orange. I'm telling you guys, if you are in the market for gel pens, and these are glittered gel pens, these are your pens. They are awesome. They write fantastic. I love these pens. Little craft mat. I thought this was super cute. This is great for when you have to glue, you have to cut, when you use your little X-Acto knife. This is great for to protect your desk. And then I thought this was adorable. I absolutely love this in the pet section. So this is a collapsible bowl for your pets. I want to open this and see because I take Dozer on walks everywhere. If you're ever interested in seeing any of that, please check out my second channel. My second channel is like all about my adventures, hiking and stuff. And me and Dozer go everywhere. Dozer's my dog. And he always needs water. And so this has a little clip I can clip to my keys, my backpack, whatever I'm taking. And it's a little collapsible water bowl. Oh, look how cute! That's so cute! That's perfect! And then it pops right in like that. That's really cool! From the Dollar Tree! I love this! A little collapsible drinking bowl. That is awesome. That was really cool. So I'm really excited about that. More batteries. I told you we needed a lot of batteries. Okay, and then I needed new hair ties because for some reason in the move I can't find a single hair tie. Like, I don't know where they all went, but I needed more. Just for your, you know, your, not toilet paper, paper towels. I needed one of these. I got some cards. I got this one. I think it's beautiful. He is risen. And they have the beautiful yellow. And they're Hallmark. And they're 2 for $1.25. And then I got this adorable one for one of my Patreons. It is so cute. Again, with the yellow. Very pretty. And I got my dog a little bone. So this is the peanut butter flavored, grain-free filled bone. It says long lasting. My dog will eat this in 10 seconds. But at least he got a treat. And then I went a little ham. I should have filmed this, but I was so captivated by it. This was the nicest, most well-organized craft section, especially the stickers and the stamps, I have ever seen from Dollar Tree. I could have went crazy, but my mom was waiting for me. Thank God she was, or I might have spent a more small fortune. But anyways, here's these stickers, and they're like 3D. I think they're so pretty. The little hummingbirds. This one's of feathers. Look how pretty. And they're like 3D. And then I loved these. If they had more, I would have bought more. Look at those. Again, I use these all for like my journaling. I did get 2 of these because I just thought they were beautiful. They're like little poppies. So pretty. And then I do a lot of stamping in my journaling. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. I have my sliders open so you might hear some wind. Look how beautiful. And then this one, very springy. Look how cute. Look at the dragonfly. These, I just can't believe they're Dollar Tree. So cute. Oh, my books fell over. And summer. I love this. That is so cute. And the little ducky and the flip-flops. Flip-flops are so me. I love this one. And then the last thing I got was, of course, all the dream catchers. Look how beautiful. With those feather stickers. This is going to make a beautiful page. I just love that. So that is my Target shop with me and haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. thanks so much for joining me. I have a Amazon haul coming, and I have a home goods haul coming, and I have a home goods shop with me coming. I think I'm probably going to have to do the haul and the shop with me for probably 2 different videos, because I probably film a long time at the store because the store is huge. I cannot wait to take you guys to home goods. So if you're interested in any of that, please don't forget to subscribe and check out my second channel, which is like my vlog channel, and I do a lot of hiking and, you know, just fun stuff over there. It'll be linked down below, and I'll be talking to you guys very soon in the next video. Until then, take care of you. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sit. Paw. Nah. Give me paw. I'll get you something else. Yes, I'll get you something. You cannot have that big bone. That bone is as big as your head.